Far from the banks of the holy Ganga, thousands of miles from the ancient lands of India, the rivers of Boston witness a ceremony that has flowed through generations, transcending time and space. This is Chhath Puja, a sacred ritual from Sanatana Dharma, an age-old tradition of the Hindu faith, woven deeply into the cultural tapestry of our people. It is a testament to an unbroken spiritual lineage, a gift that has been passed from grandmothers to mothers, from fathers to sons, over countless lifetimes. As children, we watched our grandmothers on the riverbanks of our village, their faces bathed in the light of the setting sun, immersed in a sacred moment of devotion. Their gentle hands, wrinkled and worn by time, taught us the wisdom embedded in our rituals, imparting lessons that would guide us through our lives. Now, here in Boston, we honor that inheritance. These traditional seeds, planted in our childhood, have blossomed into a resilient faith that connects us across oceans and eras. Kath Puja is not just a festival. It is a pilgrimage of the soul, a celebration of gratitude, purity, and the harmony between humankind and nature.
केलवा के पात पर उगेलन सूरज मल झाके झुके। केलवा के पात पर उगेलन सूरज मल झाके झुके। करेलू छठ बरतिया से झाके झुके। करेलू छठ बरतिया से झाके झुके। हम तो से पूछी बरतिया है बरतिया से केकरा लागी। हम तो से पूछी बरतिया है बरतिया से केकरा लागी। करेलू छठ बरतिया से केकरा लागी। करेलू छठ बरतिया से केकरा लागी। हम रोजे बेटवा कवने ऐसन बेटवा से उनके लागी। हम रोजे बेटवा कवने ऐसन बेटवा से उनके लागी। करेली छठ बरतिया से उनके लागी। करेली छठ बरतिया से उनके लागी। अमरूदिया के पात पर उगेलन सूरज मल झाके झुके। अमरूदिया के पात पर उगेलन सूरज मल झाके झुके। करेलू छठ बरतिया से झाके झुके। करेलू छठ बरतिया से झाके झुके। हम तो से पूछी बरतिया है बरतिया से केकरा लागी। हम तो से पूछी बरतिया है बरतिया से केकरा लागी। करेलू छठ बरतिया से केकरा लागी। करेलू छठ बरतिया से केकरा लागी। हम रोजे करेली छठ बरतिया से उनके लागी करेली छठ बरतिया।
In this ceremony, we turn to the sun, our eternal source of life and energy. The sun is the silent witness to our joys, our sorrows, our endless cycle of life. He who gives without expectation, nourishing our lands, our bodies, our spirits.
नारियर के पात पर उगेलन सूरज मल झाके झुके। नारियर के पात पर उगेलन सूरज मल झाके झुके। करेलू छठ बरतिया से झाके झुके करेलू छठ बरतिया।
In reverence, we offer him our thanks. We honor Surya with humble offerings, as generations before us have done, knowing that in the light of the sun, we find hope, healing, and renewal. Ancient wisdom tells us that worshiping the sun can restore balance within us, bringing clarity to the mind, strength to the body, and peace to the soul. In his warmth, we feel the blessings of health, vitality, and harmony with all creation.
करेलू छठ बरतिया से केकरा लागी करेलू छठ बरतिया से।
This ritual is a practice of patience and discipline, a reminder of our duty to honor and protect the natural world. For it is here, in these waters, under this sky, that we reconnect with the fundamental truths of life, that all beings are interconnected, that every breath we take is part of a larger cycle of giving and receiving. For the younger generation, Chhath Puja is an introduction to their roots, a call to remember where they come from, and a bridge to carry their heritage forward. As they watch their parents and grandparents perform these rituals, the seeds of tradition are sown anew, ensuring that this eternal flame will continue to burn brightly in their hearts. In this land, thousands of miles away from home, we stand together, facing the sun with folded hands, honoring the timeless truths of Sanatana Dharma. This is a ceremony of gratitude, a reminder that our faith transcends borders, that no matter where we are, we remain children of the same sun, rooted in the same eternal spirit.
भैया ठाड़ बीचे दार मांगत तयवा पूजन के बेरिया हो मांगत तयवा पूजन के बेरिया। बाझिनी ठाड़ बीचे दार बाझिनी ठाड़ बीचे दार।
In Chath, we find healing for the soul, a moment of unity, a celebration of life itself. It is here that we return to the source, to Surya, the giver of life, the eternal witness. And it is here, as always, that we are reminded of who we are and why we must keep these traditions alive, forever guided by the light.